Hello students, this is Mr. Phyllis, aka Mr. Fizzo, because we're about to have world history raps. So we're going to have a little video Izzo. Oh, hold on, I'm getting a message. Oh, it says here no one's talked like that since the 1990s. Sorry about that. Well, doesn't even matter, because we're about to take it back to the 1990s anyways. We're going to have DMX help us learn about some history. So we're going to start the party as the Spartans in the Peloponnesian War. Let's go. Y'all gonna make me start a war. Up in Greece, up in Greece. Sparta gonna go all out. Up in here, up in here. Athens gonna look a fool. Up in Greece, up in Greece. Our league's gonna lose our cool. Up in here, up in here. The Delian League's getting a little too much power, alright? Peloponnesian League's gonna show them a taste of our might. Athens thinks they rule the seas with triremes, but we aren't the Persians. We're smarter than we seem. We're gonna bring them a war on land, fighting in the phalanx they can't stand up man to man. Pericles wants to come at us, well bring it on. We're a military state ready to fight till the break of dawn. You think you're the strongest city-state in Greece? Well, use your olive oil for your armor as grease. You think the Delian League has got racks on racks? We got hoplites on hoplites, like stacks on stacks. Greece had peace. We had a golden age, but Athens' growing power might force us off the stage. We gotta take action. This is Sparta, we're hardcore. It looks like it's time for the Peloponnesian Wars. Y'all gonna make me start a war. Up in Greece, up in Greece. Sparta gonna go all out. Up in here, up in here. Sparta gonna act you a fool. Up in Greece, up in Greece. Our league's gonna lose our cool. Up in here, up in here. Okay, time for war versus Athens, part 1. A land invasion should make this war quick and done. The Athenians won't come out, we'll lay siege. It won't take too long before we bring them to their knees. They can bring in food with their boats on the seas, but with all those people in there, it'll lead to disease. This plague is terrible, it's killing Athenians with ease. 1/3 of their population and leader Pericles. With Pericles gone, their new leaders want to fight. Well, come at us, dog. See your mistake with hindsight. The first part of this war is really a standstill, but the Athenian war effort is going uphill. We'll trade you guys some land we took for captured troops. It just gives Sparta more time to regroup. The war's not over, it's just a quick break. In the long run, you'll see fighting Sparta was a mistake. Y'all gonna make me start a war. Up in Greece, up in Greece. Sparta gonna go all out. Up in here, up in here. Athens gonna look a fool. Up in Greece, up in Greece. Our league's gonna lose our cool. Up in here, up in here. Part 2 of the Peloponnesian War. Athens sends some of their troops off really far. They're going to Sicily to try to take over the land. Supplies there could bring an end to our plan. So we'll send over more troops to help Sicily. We beat the Athenians quite easily. The Athenians turned on some of their military leaders. They killed them off, making our job even sweeter. To beat Athens now is a real piece of cake, and the Persians will help us now to seal their fate. We beat their fleet, and Athenians are starving. Now they surrender. They're begging for our pardon. Sparta's the main power, and Athens is laid to waste. But our power up north is growing with great haste. The golden age is over, and this war has sealed our fate. In a matter of time, we'll lose to Alexander the Great. Peloponnesian Wars, this is Sparta! Okay, and we're out. Oh, it's still gone.